X hamster, X whatever it is, X. Anyway.
MoeTheDriver.
Okay, I'm back in here. So I haven't posted any head videos for a while. And that's because I've been posting them over on another platform, X hamster, X whatever it is, X. Anyway, we're talking about a different kind of head today, okay? We're talking about the 2JZ GE head. Okay, so I almost have it completely built, except for I couldn't get any shims for the SuperTech buckets. So I happen to have some SuperTech shims here, and we're gonna open them up, we're gonna take a look, and I'm gonna get them on down to the engine builder so we can finish the head and get on moving. So here's the box, basic and unassuming. We're gonna open it up. I just have to tear it open. This is just not working for me. All right, so box is empty. This is all we have. This little itty bitty thing. So we're gonna take a look here. Taped up pretty good. I mean, could have gave me a Ziploc bag. These are from Drift Motion, by the way. So, oh, they do give me a bag. All right, so my machinist did a great job on the head. Only thing we have in here are 12 2mm shims and 12 2.1mm shims. Now, if you look at each shim, it is marked 2-10 or 2,00. Either way, it's the same thing. This is a 2mm shim, and this is a 2.1mm shim. So there's 12 of each. Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, there's 12 of each, and this will be going to the engine builder, and we will get the head finished. So stay tuned. There's a whole lot going on with the truck. We're getting there. I'm not going to spoil it for you, but we're getting there. So stay tuned, subscribe, and make sure that you don't miss the next video because we're really getting into it. All right, holla.